I found out that our neighbors have been having pool parties at our pool for years while we are not home, so we installed cameras to catch them in the act and report them for trespassing. A few years ago, my husband and I bought a house with a pool. We know most of our neighbors, but aren't particularly close with any of them. The family next door, a couple with 4 kids, has always been a little too interested in our pool. Normally, we open the pool in May and keep it open through October, but this year, the weather was off. May was cold and rainy, and June shot up to unbearable heat. I was on medication that made it hard to be in the sun, and we were busy helping sick relatives, so we hadn't gotten around to opening it yet. That didn't stop the neighbor's youngest daughter from asking, constantly, "When are you opening the pool?" she'd ask every time she saw us. At first, we brushed it off, but the last time she asked, something in her tone made me pause. She sounded annoyed. That night, I decided to check our security system. We had cameras out front, but none in the backyard. I bought a set, installed them, and set up alerts for movement. The next weekend, while we were out, my phone blew up. I checked the live feed. There they were, our nice neighbors, throwing a full-on pool party with friends and food. The dad was lounging in my chair, beer in hand. We called the cops. Turns out they'd been sneaking in for years. They tried to play the victim, but trespassing is trespassing. We pressed charges. Their friends found out and dropped them. Guess pool access wasn't worth the criminal